Monitor cable constructed using a CMG jacket for in-wall applications. Supports video resolutions of up to QXGA, 2048 by 1536. In-wall, CMG-rated jacket. Supports up to a 2048 by 1536 resolution. All 15 pins wired to support DDC2, E-DDC, and EDID. Low-profile connectors. The C2G Select VGA video cable is perfect for source-to-display connectivity for in-home desktop or in-wall commercial applications which require video resolutions of up to QXGA, 2048 by 1536. The CMG-rated jacket provides a solution for in-wall applications, while the low-profile, rounded connectors make installing in tight spaces, such as a projector mount pole, easy. This cable is designed to support high-resolution video applications over long distances of up to 150 feet. All 15 pins are wired, providing support for DDC2, EDDC, and extended display identification data, EDID, signals, i.e. communication of the display's capabilities, ensuring that the content from the source is sent at the optimal resolution for the display. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Excellent cable, great quality. We have had others in the past and they did not last because of the way the cables were built. Hopefully this one will last longer.